Hello everyone, I know it's been a minute. Today I am here with a brand new video and I'm going to be reviewing this unit here. So this is by the company called Yaki Roots and this is their 13 by 4 inches lace frontal wig. So as you can see, it's very lovely. It's in the style Afro Kinky Roots. The wig comes in a natural colour and is in a 4B4C texture. It has got two combs at the side of it and one at the back. So I went ahead and removed the two combs that were at the side of the wig and I then sewed my adjustable straps there instead. So I've just gone ahead and put the wig on my head and I'm just adjusting it. As you can see, it looks so natural because it does come already pre-plucked. So I'm just going to get my scissors and just cut it in the middle, and I prefer doing it this way as it allows me to have more control over the lace. It also allows me to be able to follow my own natural hairline. So I finished cutting the lace off camera as I kept on coming out of focus, and what I'm doing here, I'm basically just getting a powder that's my skin tone and just putting it in front of the lace to create a seamless look. So this is the wig on. I have not glued it or done anything with it yet. Here I'm just trying to create a part. I wasn't quite sure if I wanted a middle parting or side parting, so I just went around and just played with the hair really. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of my L'Oreal Paris Extreme Hold gel glue. So you can either use that or you can use a mousse. This is literally to just lay down the sides of it, and then I'm just gonna get my scarf and wrap it and leave it to set.
Let's try if the music works.
This is how the hair looks after I unwrap it, and now I'm just gonna get my powder again and just put it on the parting to just make it look a bit more realistic. And just look how realistic that looks. Look at that. It looks like it's literally coming out my scalp. So next I just went in with my leave-in conditioner and some water and just sprayed it on my hair, and I went ahead to just basically play around with it and style it. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment and please subscribe.